Welcome to ITC 2340 lecture series. In this demonstrations, I will discuss how to create a Microsoft Power App using Excel as a data source. In this exercise, we will demonstrate how to create a Power App using Microsoft Excel. We will create a very simple app called To Do app. It is a general app. Users can add uh, activities, edit activities, and delete activities. These activities are kind of reminders. Uh, this is a very general app. We use Excel as a data source, and we use OneDrive as a place to share the data source. These are the steps that we follow to create this app. First, we will discuss how to log into the Power App site. Then we will create Excel file to save data. But we save data in OneDrive. Therefore, we need a connection to connect the Power App and the OneDrive. In the third step, we will create this connection, and thereafter we will upload the Excel data file to the OneDrive. It has connected with the Power App site. Then at the fifth stage, we will create the Power App. Then we will link the app with the data source. Then we will play and see how the app works. Then we will discuss basic editing options, and finally we will discuss how you can share the app with others. Microsoft Power App is a web-based application. Therefore, you should log into the Power Apps site. To log into the site, use your Office 365 username and password. You can enter, or if you have already logged in this computer before, you can select it from a list. When you enter username and password, then you will see the Power App dashboard. It gives you three options. In this demonstration, we will use Excel as a data source. Therefore, we should have an Excel file to use as a data source. Therefore, in the next section, we will discuss how to create a Excel data source. In this section, we will show you how to create an Excel file as a data source. The data source should be able to record data for the app. In this exercise, we are going to create a very simple app called To-Do list. A To-Do app is very simple. The user can record list of activities. As you show here, there are four columns in this data source. The task, due date, description, and status as completed or not completed. I will enter only two records as test data. Uh, you can create a data source. It is a normal Excel file, but it is better if you can enter few records as test data. In this exercise, I will add two records. The next step is very important. when you complete the structure of the data, you should select a cell and mark uh, the structure as a data table. You can do that, click on a cell and then go to uh, table and format as a table. Uh, Please give a meaningful name from the design table tab. Then save your data file uh, in your computer. You can save it in a normal folder, or you can save it in a folder that has uh, shared with your OneDrive, or you can upload it later. In this section, we will discuss how to create a data connection. You need data connection to link Power Apps and your data sources. A connection is a reusable object. Uh, you can link your OneDrive as a data source. Uh, to do that, go to data, then click connections, and then select OneDrive for business, and then it will display a login interface. When you provide your username and password, sometimes it will take it automatically. Then you have a data connection. This is a reusable for many applications. Now we have a data source in your computer, and also we created a connection to your OneDrive using data connection, uh, but still your data file is in your computer. To create a Power App, first you should upload your data source to the connected OneDrive folder. To do that, you can log into OneDrive and then uh, create a folder if necessary, and then upload the Excel file that we created as a data source. Then it is ready to use with the Power App. Now we can create a Power App using the created data source. When you go to the dashboard, you will see Excel Online. Click Excel Online, then you will see the list of connections, your connection to the OneDrive, and the open the folder and your Excel file, and then you will see the data table. It is the name you give for the table. Then click connect. It will take a little time based on your internet connection. Now you are connecting the data file with this new Power App. Now you will see the Power App has automatically created interface for your data. There are three records. Actually I added one, and then you will see the interface. You can add new to do activities. You can see different interfaces. You can change site-wide changes to the Power App using the file menu. When you click the file, then you will see the name of the app. You can save the app using a new name. Uh, this is a kind of a normal activity. You save your Power App, and then when you save the app, it will display in your Power App list. Click save, and then uh, it will prompt to share your um, app, but you can skip at this moment, and then we will discuss it later. Click cancel button to skip the sharing option, then you will see the detail of the new. Now we have created a PowerApp. You will see PowerApp at the end of the dashboard, or you can click apps and then you will see the list of the PowerApp. Click this more command button to see more details. Right. First we will play the PowerApp, or we open PowerApp to use as an application. Then you will see the detail view, the detail of this selected activity. You can create a new task or item here. The order is not correct, but you can change it later. I will add register for the examination, status not completed, 30th of October. You can select the time, and also you can say go to university site, and then click save, submit item. Now you will see you have 4 items, and then you can view uh, activities and use the app. Here we will discuss how to edit your app. To edit app, first go to the list of the app, click more commands, and select the first option, edit. When you click edit, now you are going to open the PowerApp in editing mode. When you open the app in edit mode, then you have 3 main sections: the interface, general user interface, the tree view. uh, there are 3 sections in the tree view. For this application, you will see when you click the browse screen, then you will see all the list, all the activities as a list, and then the detail section. When you select an item, then you will see this view, and edit editing view of the app. When you are going to, here editing means when you are adding an item, you are using this interface. You can change the appearance of the app and also the data, but here we will discuss only how to do a basic editing. For example, when you click here, you will see the browser screen. When you click the browser screen, uh, you will see fill color. It is white, but you can select a different color from here. Now you change the back color of the application, and also we will see in the browser screen, you will see app name 1. You can change the name ITC to PowerApp. Right? You will see here it changed the name. If this we can say okay again to app, and then since you edited, you should go to file and save. When you save, it will ask whether you are going to publish the app with these new changes. I will accept and click publish. Then it will display a message, and now your app has published with changes. Again, when you go to the Power Apps, you will see your app with new changes. Now you have a Power App, and in general, the final stage is you need to share this app with others. You can go to the apps, and when you point to an app and click more commands, then you will see the share button, and to share, click the share button. uh, these options may be different from user to user according to the subscription. Most probably you will have this option, everyone in faculty of management. I am going to share with everyone. And if you remember, we uploaded our Excel file to the OneDrive. Then there will be a message if you are going to share a data using data source connection. That means your connection connected with OneDrive. You need to give permission uh, to the data file. Otherwise, users cannot use the app. I will show it later. Or you can add a specific person. Now uh, uh, I have already added everyone, therefore I cannot add again. Therefore I will select new uh, user, and then I will click share. Now when I share, this new user will receive a message, I invited to use this app, or I can send a personal message. uh, I will cancel means I will close this, and uh, I will show you how to give permission. You should go to the OneDrive. I save the data source in PowerApp folder. To do app is the subfolder, and now here you will see there is a option to share this file. Then again you should give permission to specific user or users to use the Power App. Then when you click send, the user will receive a message, and now you have shared your app.